Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy customer feedback tools with SurveyMonkey, complete guide step by step clearly. To deploy customer feedback tools with SurveyMonkey, start by creating your SurveyMonkey account if you don't already have one. Visit the SurveyMonkey website and click on the Sign Up button. Provide your email address and create a password to set up your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Survey button to begin designing your feedback tool. Select a template that aligns with your feedback objectives or start from scratch. Add questions that cover key areas of customer experience, such as product satisfaction, service quality, and overall feedback. Utilize a mix of question types, including multiple choice, rating scales, and open-ended questions. Customize the design of your survey to match your brand using colors and logos. Preview your survey to ensure that it flows well and looks professional. Once satisfied, click on the Collect Responses button. Choose a distribution method for your survey, such as email, social media, or embedding on your website. If selecting email, input your recipient list or integrate your email service provider. Set any additional parameters, such as response limits or anonymity preferences. Launch your survey by sending it out to your intended audience. Monitor the response rate using the Analytics dashboard within SurveyMonkey. Analyze the collected feedback to identify trends and insights that can drive improvements. Export the data as needed for presentations or in-depth analysis. Use the feedback to implement changes and enhance customer satisfaction moving forward. Repeat the process periodically to gather ongoing customer feedback and stay connected with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.